Welcome to another episode of Fact or Fiction. Today we're going to do something a little bit different, you guys. This week we're getting into skincare hacks. Some of the beneficial ones and some of the ones which are plain bullshit. So we're going to find out what's fact and what's fiction. Hey AD, I've been seeing videos on YouTube about people rubbing banana peels on their face for healthier skin. I often experience puffiness under my eyes and I've developed wrinkles over the last few years. I'd prefer if they weren't there all the time. What are your thoughts about banana peel videos? Is it legit and does it work? Thanks, Elaine. Wow, this is crazy. You know what's so crazy? Because I've seen these videos, they're everywhere. What's even more crazy, Elaine? This is a fact. Believe it or not, rubbing a banana peel, which sounds crazy if you eat it and then rub it on your face, it actually can help brighten your skin and it can also reduce wrinkles. In 2018, there was actually a study that was done about banana peels, and it showed that banana peels are rich in phenolic compounds. I know what you're gonna say next. What is phenolic compounds? I actually had to look it up myself, and it shows that phenolic compounds actually offer antioxidants and it's on the screen. I can't say it, but basically what it does, it helps to provide healthier skin. Also, banana peels are rich in bioactive compounds, which actually reduces inflammation. And that's why it can reduce blemishes and also help with acne scarring. Look, these bananas are incredible. Not only are they doing all the other stuff that we talked about, but it actually hydrates your face. I think I'm gonna start eating bananas and rubbing it on my face from here on out. Banana peels might be the miracle fruit. They also say that you can wrap it around a wart. I actually have one on my elbow, and you can naturally heal the wart that way. I'm doing this tonight. Tonight, this is happening. Guaranteed. Next question. Hello AD, I have some pimples that need to be gone like yesterday. Time is of an essence. I've been reading mixed reviews about applying toothpaste to pimples to get rid of them overnight. At this point, I'm willing to try anything, but I don't want to ruin my skin. Please let me know your take on this skincare trend. Best, Jen. Wow, I love this question. This is the best question. In every movie, at least a teenage movie, you would see them at night putting this toothpaste on their pimples. And guess what, you guys? It's absolutely ridiculous. This is 100% fiction. Does it work? It doesn't really work. What it really does, it dries out the pimple so you can actually remove it. But doing this can actually backfire on you. Now, this is for the people that actually have sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, do not do the toothpaste thing because the chemicals within the toothpaste are too harsh for sensitive skin. In general, toothpaste increases inflammation and also worsens the redness within blemishes. Skin naturally is acidic. Toothpaste has a basic pH. Once you cross those worlds or mix those worlds, it upsets the pH level within your skin, which can lead to burning or rashing. We're doing too much with this toothpaste. First of all, putting it on your face, I think it's crazy. But you know, I know people try so many different things. But if you actually put too much toothpaste on your skin, what it can do is actually dry out your skin too much, and therefore your body is gonna try to produce more oil, which can definitely worsen your situation. Look, Jen, don't fall into the trap. Look for some more natural things that you can possibly do. At Dherbs.com, we have tons of natural ways to help increase upon the glow and the healthiness of your skin. Lastly, I just want to say this, look. It's terrible for your skin. Stop putting toothpaste on it. Next question. Dearest AD, if there's one thing I need to do before the end of the year is get rid of this damn puffiness under my eyes. I don't want to use chemical creams and anything like that. I want to use natural ingredients. Now, I've been seeing people place tea bags and cucumbers under their eyes. People be doing some wild shit. But what about using coffee grounds? Coffee grounds? The hell? Does this actually work or is this an internet lie? Please let me know. Stay blessed, Angie. This is a fact? What the f? Coffee? How you put coffee grounds on your face? To be honest, you guys, there's so many different things that you can do to reduce the puffiness under your eyes. Sadly to say, coffee grounds is one of them. This is a fact. There's a variety of reasons why you can have puffiness underneath your eye. It can be fluid buildup. Also, you're talking about blood vessels that can actually dilate. And in the process of dilating, it can also create puffiness underneath your eye. Look, there's a million reasons. The real question is, how do we get rid of it? Look, some of this information is new to me too. Trying to find out what's fact and what's fiction is not always easy. It turns out caffeine within coffee grounds actually is a vasoconstrictor, and that makes your blood vessels smaller. The antioxidants within caffeine actually can reduce the swelling, reduce the inflammation, and also helps you with dark circles. It looks like caffeine has so many other benefits. It promotes circulation, tightens skin, and also can make your skin look more firm and bright. What you're gonna do is slightly put a little water on the coffee grounds. Massage it underneath your eyes. Once you get it underneath your eyes, and like I said, put a little water on there so it can stick and absorb within your skin. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. After that, I want you to wipe it away with lukewarm water and pat it dry. And if you do that every single day, I guarantee you, Angie, it's gonna help you with that puffiness. Yes, we got through another week of Fact or Fiction, and thanks for watching, you guys. Look, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, or you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com. And you already know what I'm about to say. Hit the subscribe button. See you next week.